Hello crafters, I'm so excited for today's Craftmas. We're going to be making this cute little winter hat. In Canada we call it a touque. I picked this up at my local dollar store for $1.50 and we're going to be adding a fun little decal to it. So for this project I'm going to be using some heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to be using the Siser brand in white and I'm really excited, so we're gonna get started with this one. I'm just going to go ahead and start a new project and then upload my little decal that I'm going to be using, my little cut file, measuring out the room. So I have a little more than 5, which is perfect. I do want it to be a little bit thicker, so we'll do it like that, and we're ready to make it. This one's a super easy one. So I'm selecting my mat. We are doing heat transfer vinyl, so make sure you mirror your image and continue. I'm going to go ahead and grab my vinyl. I'm thinking I'll be able to use my scraps for this one. I think I will. I'm so excited. I love using my scraps and I just keep them in little Ziploc baggies. It's a lot easier that way. With heat transfer vinyl, remember it is shiny side down. So the plastic feeling one goes against the mat. Make sure you mirror your image and we're ready to load our mat into our Cricut. So I'm going to select Everyday Iron-On as my materials. Mirror is on, so that's perfect. And once it's prompting me to load with the flashing arrow, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I went ahead and tried on the touque to make sure I liked the size of this lip. That way I know where to put my vinyl. Remove it from my mat. Now it's time to weed out our vinyl. Weeding out heat transfer vinyl is very easy, especially the Siser brand. It just pulls up the entire thing. It's super simple. It really just comes up all at once. Have my garbage really close by. These are my favorite projects to make, heat transfer vinyl. I love how easy it is as a Cricut beginner. And I feel like it's a very forgiving type of project because if you mess up, it's really easy to fix it. And it's just super simple. So we have it weeded out. It's going to be going on here like this. And it's time to heat up the press and get this on there. I'm going to flip it over. That one has little holes from the tag. Okay, let's get the press started. For this project, I'm using my industrial heat press, but you can use any type of heat press if you have a Cricut Easy Press, an iron, or even a straightener. Yes, I have shown you how to do it with the hair straightener. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video right here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. But you can use any heat source. I have mine set to 315 for 20 seconds. Now I use the Cricut heat guide on their website where you can put in the material and the type of vinyl you're using, and then it auto-populates the temperature and the time you need for it. So really helpful little tip to check out the Cricut heat guide on their website. The tightness, I can fully close this and walk away and know that it's on there tightly. I do set the timer, so hopefully about 20 seconds. I tend to go back in for another few seconds once it's done to make sure it's on there really well. And then you're able to lift it and rotate it out of the way. And there we go. So you can peel it up. This one is a hot or cool peel. You can see here. Check out how beautifully that went on. And you can tell that your heat transfer vinyl is on there really well, one of two ways. One of them being that when you put your hand over it, you don't really feel like a sticker. Like it just kind of feels like it's like part of it a little bit. But the other part is you can see the design of the fibers underneath coming through the vinyl. So when it's really on there, you'll see the grain of the fibers of the garment underneath. If you're unsure, go ahead and do another little press for a few more seconds. Don't press it too long because then it melts it and it actually takes off the adhesive part, because that's how you would remove the adhesive as well. But a little bit longer, and there we go. We have our cute little winter touque. I'm actually just going to be keeping this one for myself, but this would be a really fun one to gift to somebody as well. So I'm really excited about this one and I cannot wait to wear it. Don't forget, we are crafting every day together in the month of December, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can craft along with us.